You are the ocean, you are the sound, and the light within my soul. I pray that I return a measure of the love that through your life flows. And there ain't no difference when we know, Buddha Dave, you are the ocean, you are the sound, and the light within my soul. You are the seed of my devotion. You are the blessing that makes my spirit whole. You are the living proof of freedom and the call to follow through. I can't tell you how much I love you, and the wonder and the grace of living here in the shadow of the great love we are living, and the feeling that you are always near. And I want to live forever by your side, and the happiness I feel no longer to deny. And I found a river, I found a river flowing deep inside. I found a river, yeah, I found a river. I found a river flowing in my heart. Jaya, Jaya Gurudeva, Jaya Gurudeva, Jaya Gurudeva, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Gurudeva. Oh, Jaya the sound and the light within my soul. You are the seed of my devotion. You are the blessing that makes my spirit whole. You are the living proof of freedom and the call to follow through. I can't tell you how much I love you, and the wonder and the grace of living here in the shadow of the great love we are living, and the feeling you are always near. And I want to live forever Jaya Gurudeva, Jaya Jaya, Jaya Gurudeva, oh Jaya Jaya.
You are initiated
না না
or without initiation.
ওটা তো বলছি
This is the process. Have you any relation with your mother?
You have relationship with your mother? Yeah.
What?
Quite good.
Huh?
Good relationship.
his mother your son
Son.
you know
Relationship
What?
like son.
What is the relation? And why?
Welche Beziehung hast du zu deiner
Hä?
Mutter?
Like son,
And father?
also like son.
You are not saying that he is your father?
Have you seen that he is your father?
Seen?
How?
Do you know that it's realized?
How can you prove he is your father?
You remember the time
yes,
when
sir.
you went inside that this is your father?
Also mother is
Okay.
not father.
What?
Mother, by
Mother's-
asking his mother, then he knows.
So, like mother, an trained guru should be there. And he will tell that, oh, your father relation with you is there. And without that, no relation with Krishna. Who will give this relation? And without relation, nothing. If a man is in accident and he is about to die, but no relation, what can you do? Only you can give it to hospital. Nothing else.
সে তাও তো
But
করবে
if
না।
your mother, father,
Any
your daughter,
relative.
your son, then what you will do? You will be there always giving money, calling doctors and everything.
all
you can do.
arrangement
Otherwise, without relation, you cannot do. Understand this? So that is very essential. But you should have surely a guru that will not fall, and he is very high class of devotee, and at once, without delay, or you can lose the chance.
Now he has developed throat cancer. He has gone to hospital treatment, but doctors are not hopeful. And he is also concerned what will he...
They are
They are
hopeful.
hopeful? Okay. He has been writing with Buddha Prabhu, also with myself, and writing you.
Don't fear from death. Death is birth. After death, but don't give up chanting name and faith to Krishna and to Guru. Then very soon you will be recovered.
Can I come and live in India?
He wants.
আমি ভারতে এসে ক্লাস করব বসবাস করব
If it is favorable for you, then. Otherwise, be here with your family, maintain anyhow,
That's normal.
and waiting.
বলছি আই নো মোর ফ্যামিলি
So who is looking after you?
Susan.
One lady, she took initiation
Sumitra.
yesterday,
Sumitra.
like a nurse. She comes in.
But she should go. And
She
we
wants to come.
If you will go to India, it may be that you cannot tolerate in the
hot
month.
summer day very hot up to 46 to 48 degrees centigrade
I've been there.
and in
He has been
winter
there
to 3
before.
4
I've been in Vrindavan.
So if it is favorable, you can go. Otherwise, don't go. And anyhow, don't fear from death. Always remember Krishna. And if Ajamil only he uttered his son name. And even he received bhakti and went to Vaikuntha. Then if you are knowingly doing all these things, oh, your stage will be more superior.
Going beyond Vaikuntha.
All will die by cancer or anyhow. Death is sure. So we should not fear. And going chanting as well. If you cannot chanting by mala, then you can remember only in.
No, can chant by mala, no problem.
No, I can
I am telling, in circumstances may come.
No, it's better in the mind actually than so I can only
So
talk
then
for.
remember in mind, Krishna, 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 Radhe, 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 only this one. Ram, Ram, any Krishna name.
When you are in India, as before, at that time you are very strong.
Yes.
Can tolerate the climate very easily. When somebody is weak, then it's hard to tolerate the climate, very hot.
I'm physically strong actually. I'm getting better. It's just
It
my
may be
sleep.
that very soon you can be better.
Yes.
To chant Krishna name and everything.
We can start class.
Even death comes, don't fear.
I want to die
But
in
don't
Vrindavan.
remember that, oh Krishna, oh save my life. No.
He would like to leave his body in Vrindavan if it comes to that state.
If you can, very good.
To the morning,
But if you are not Vrindavan, anywhere you are, remember Vrindavan at that time, your death is in Vrindavan. Understand?
Yes.
Spread the mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu all around. If no link with Guru, power cannot come. So he became like one hand of his Guru, reaching all over the world.
Extraordinary thing.
Now you are that other hand.
No, I'm not.
He was like the first wave that brought a tidal wave of Krishna to the west, and now you are the second
Tsunami
wave.
waves.
After that, Sajan Maharaj will come.
If anyone has doubt, oh, they can come directly to me. And thus,
I have one problem. It is said that we must to see the women like a mother.
mother and sister and girl.
But I see the women like lovers.
বলছে মেয়েদেরকে আমার প্রেমিকা বলে দেখি আমি।
Or even you see your mother like Premika.
Can you
See your mother like a lover also?
To your daughter?
I have no daughter, but no.
No. Your sister? Like Premika?
Lover?
Lover.
Sister like lover?
Don't.
I want to finish with my last.
You should finish all these things and think all ladies except your wife like mother, daughter and sister. Always. And pay respect. Because Krishna is there in everywhere. Jive samman dive jani Krishna adhishthan. Everywhere Krishna is. Even in tree, if you try to see Krishna. Without Krishna they cannot survive. So don't see anyone enemy. Don't criticize them. Thank you.
Krishna and Radhika never goes out of Vrindavan. But why feeling separation? In Nandagaon, to whom Uddhava realized and saw it with his own eyes. Oh, this is Viyogini Radha. Viyogini Radha. And who met in Kurukshetra with Krishna and weeping and wanted to bring Krishna from Kurukshetra to Braja. Who was she? Oh, Sanjogini. After a long time they are meeting, so Sanjogini. And Viyogini, feeling separation. Krishna is not in Vrindavan. So, Srimati Radhika is in Braja. No? In Braja. And Krishna is in Braja, but in hidden way. There, Viyogini, always lamenting, all gopis and Radhika especially. So in Braj with meeting with Krishna is Vrishabhanu Nandini herself. And those who are feeling so much separation for Krishna, she is Viyogini. And after a long time, who met with Krishna in Kurukshetra again, but not satisfied, she wanted to take Krishna in Vrindavan and brought on her chariot of heart. She is called Sanjogini. In same way, Krishna, Nandanandan, Jashodanandan, Radha Kant, oh, always in Braja. And in Mathura who goes? Who goes? Vasudevanandan. He goes to Mathura. No. So, in Mathura and Dwarka, Krishna is Viyogi Krishna. Viyogi Krishna. And who went to Kurukshetra, he is Sanjogi Krishna. Viyogini, Viyogi. Sanjogini, Sanjog. In this way. And what about Baldev? Always being in Vrindavan, Brajmandal, he is son of Rohinandan. He never goes out of Vrindavan, always with Krishna. So he is Rohini Nandan. And who goes to Mathura and Dwarka, he is? No. Who is he? He is Devaki Nandan. No. Devaki Nandan, not Rohini Nandan. But one can tell that he was first in the womb of Devaki and went to like Sankarshan. So, here, Baldev Prabhu, who was in Mathura, he is Devaki Nandan. And who was in? No, Dwarka also. And in Vrindavan, he is Ansi of both Baldevs. But three are different by nature. One, but Yogamaya is making all these things. So when he is in Vrindavan, he is Rohini Nandan himself, Ansi of all. And then in Mathura and Dwarka, who is he? Devaki Nandan. But Mool Sankarshan. Mool Sankarshan. Brajmandal, no Sankarshan. In that way. Only mood is there that you took anyhow from the womb of Devaki to Rohini or Krishna too. So he is Sankarshan, but no function others. Only function some, but not any form there. And when he goes to Dwarka, then he becomes Mool Sankarshan. And in Vaikuntha, Mahasankarshan. And when he goes in his manifestation on the ocean, Viraja, that Karnada Saksai, then he becomes Mahavishnu Karnuta, from Jiva's conditions also. And then he becomes Garbhodasai and then becomes, and in the last he becomes Shresh. So many functions of. We should know all these things. Then you can understand all these things. But I think that when we go out of class, you will forget all. But try to note down on your heart. Otherwise you'll mix hacha pacha and other things. So, same, Gaur Sundar, Sachinandan Gaudhari, in Gaud Mandal, Navadip Dham, oh, he is Sachinandan. But when he goes to Puri, then Biyogi Krishna, always lamenting, weeping. Huh? Yeah, Biyogini Father. And when he comes to where? Godavari and Sundarachalam. Sundarachalam Gundicha Mandir. Then what he becomes? Oh Sanjogi. Then he meets again that Dhua, Seito Parannath, I'm dancing and singing and weeping. So these are the things. You should note down. And then you should go. In bhajan, this is called bhajan. Now we should come on the point again. What? Oh, Rath was going on. Sometimes Gaudhari आगे चले कि हाँ गौर जली आगे चले वो श्याम है धीरे यदि श्याम गौर यदि पाछे चले श्याम है स्थिर एक चैतन्य महाप्रभु सचिनंदन गौर is dancing chariot. Then Jagannath forward. Oh, very sing, looking the dance, and very happy with his core of eyes, smiling. And when Sachinandan Gaurhari sing, oh, behind, oh, why should I go? For whom I should go? You are here. So, the Rath Yatra was going on. Here Krishna is what? Sanjogini, like film suppression. And singing so much and very happy. Very happy. Or doing so many pastimes there. Apurva. In the meantime, he was dancing and dancing, he became tired. But still he continued. Sarat Damodar, Raya Ramanand, decided that Mahaprabhu is now tired. We should give him rest. So he stopped the chariot and told that, where? Balgandi, Aitota, or garden of Jagannath informed. And he told the Pujari, head Pujari and others that anyone can offer any bhog from anywhere. So all the devotees, all the assembled persons, devotees, they began to give offering. Some Narikel to Jagannath Dev, thousands and thousands. And some, prasadam, and Jagannath began to take from his eyes everything, every corner, here, there, back, everywhere. And by trick, Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda took, Nityananda Prabhu took Mahaprabhu and that garden, and Mahaprabhu are tired. So he was lying down on a tree, keeping his head on the trunk tree. And what doing? Always remembering that past times of Vrindavan. And he was weeping, tears coming. In the meantime, Sarvam Bhattacharya, Sarup Damodar, especially Raya Ramananda, told the king that now this is the time. You should change your royal dress and be like a simple devotee with one dhoti. You should go there and recite the slok of Bhagavatam Gopi Ki. And then he will be merciful. He will embrace you and your all desire will be fulfilled. So in this guise, he did pranam to Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Acharya, all other devotees, and begged permission, and then he went slowly there and sat on the near the feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and began to recite. From beginning from first slok, and when he came on that slok, Tava kathamritam tapta jivanam kabiriritam kalmashapam Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuvi Girnanti Te Bhuridajana. In such a sweet tone. You are hearing my tone. You cannot compare with that. Millions of times more sweet. With tear in ears, eyes, and he began to recite. And began to not mess up. Like that Mahaprabhu was so much tired, so he was doing like this and singing. Mahaprabhu heard this slok expression, and what became? Oh, who are you? Who are you? Without asking, you are giving me so much high class of nectar. And he embraced at that time. Oh, you are giving me. I cannot repay you. I am a beggar, street beggar. I cannot repay you. Be merciful and continue. And then he again continued. Prahasitam priya prema bichanam viharanam chate ध्यानमङ्गलम् श्रवणमङ्गलम् श्रीमदाततम् भुवि गिडन्ति ते भूरि. So, in this way, he continued. But what is the meaning? Krishnadas.
Shri Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai.
Radha Ramana Hare Govinda Jai Jai.
Radha Ramana Hari
Radha Ramana Hare Govinda Jai. The meaning of this slok, Tavakatham Tattvijnana, that Gopizat has told before in that previous slok, we are going to die without you. Then Krishna told that you should die at once, don't delay. Then Gopi said, how we can die? You are the reason that we are not dying. Tava kathamritam, your katha means katha means past tense. Discussion of your sweet Hari Katha. Oh, this is Amrita.